This is Mr. Miller. He manages a challenging project, his planning is thorough, and he is confident in the success of his team. He realizes, however, that he spends much of his time on consolidating data from various project areas. From each team, he receives highly specialized information. Increasing amounts of data flows in and becomes overwhelming. Despite his best effort, the project becomes increasingly unstructured. Unclear priorities lead to firefighting, deadlines are missed, and wrong decisions lead to a delay of work packages. As a solution, Mr. Miller decides to implement the Keypoint Control Room. The Keypoint Control Room gives clarity and structure to his project. All project areas are integrated into the control room, and all necessary detailed data is incorporated in an efficient and intuitive way. Now, Mr. Miller stays informed about all project areas in real time. Beginning with an overview, he can work his way through the branching structure of the Keypoint Control Room to delve into detailed analysis. Here, for example, Mr. Miller looks at the most important information about suppliers. He has access to the expressive visualization of both qualitative and quantitative data. Mr. Miller immediately sees that the supplier lead time is critical, and having identified a problem, he quickly discovers the root cause. Whenever needed, Mr. Miller can use the Keypoint Control Room to interact with the views, allowing him to focus on the most important information. The Keypoint Control Room maintains the flexibility that makes Excel such a widely used tool. With just a few clicks, Mr. Miller can add a new view to closely monitor any aspect. Here, he simply chooses a supplier audit and links it to the chart on the supplier reliability in the monitoring system. The control room allows Mr. Miller to discuss the project with his team and to present progress to the steering committee. Thanks to the hierarchical structure, he has the right information for both audiences on one platform. At any given time, Mr. Miller can define actions, assign responsibilities and deadlines. These actions are automatically sent to the varying responsible parties, and Mr. Miller can track the progress of these defined actions. He used to spend hours on arranging meeting results into a PowerPoint. Now, the presentation is created for him. As a Microsoft Excel-based software, the Keypoint Control Room can be installed without administrator rights, so no additional licenses are required and all data stays within the company's firewall. This guarantees an easy start. Aside from the easy installation, Mr. Miller has the support of the Keypoint team. During interactive workshops, they discuss measurements, visualizations, and processes. The Keypoint Control Room brings structure to the project. It can easily be adapted directly with Microsoft Excel and is optimized for interactive status meetings.